What it do, YouTube? You already know what's going on, man. It's your boy Tyrese.
And Didi.
We are back with another video today, man. As you can tell by the title today, we got something special. She requested this. I ain't want to do it because I can't be with her for too long together, bro. I can't do it. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to be a good sport. We're going to go ahead and hit this 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Right. So as of right now,
it is exactly 10:05. I don't know if y'all can see that. It is exactly 10:05.
First is him, y'all.
Don't make it too tight. Watch the chain, man. Watch the bracelet.
Y'all, this is wild. Because I have to go to class. Well, y'all, we are now connected. Look.
You think you can last 24 hours?
No, you get on her.
You get on mine too. That's what you know.
Whatever. Anyways, y'all, so I'm not going to film in my classroom because it's kind of like, there's a lot of kids and privacy and all that type of stuff. The schedule for the day kind of is like, we're going to the movies, and then we're going to like this little party thing.
We gotta be joining the party.
Yup.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, we
y'all,
gonna be lit today.
We're gonna have to vlog that for real for y'all, because we're gonna be at the party. But anyways.
Why it's like the day that we gotta be conjoined, we got the busiest schedule. I swear. Wait. One more thing.
And
before this video start, go ahead and say.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe all day if y'all want to see us. Make sure you comment, tell us what y'all want to see. It don't matter, we'll do it.
Let's see if we're gonna survive, because you know how we get, bro.
Right, I know.
When you get the tweaking and I get the tweaking, and we gotta be like this for a whole 24.
Right.
I'm dragging you.
So anyways, y'all, we're gonna come back. We love y'all.
All right, y'all, we just got to her school. This the hard part. We gotta get up out this car.
Can you hurry up?
See, look, she already trying to rush. Come on.
Babe, wait, you have somebody attached to you.
Ow.
Babe, wait, damn. We are dead ass like connected. Can you hold that in this hand?
I'm trying. I only got one hand to work with.
Y'all, look.
I got paper.
Right? Put your hand up, damn.
The funny thing is, y'all.
He pissed me off already. I can't do this.
I already made her mad, so I don't know how this day gonna look. Where my money at? Hold on. Is this shit even on?
Safety.
Alright, y'all. So we up in her classroom. I gotta sit through your whole class? It's funny because I don't even go here, but I gotta act like I'm a whole student. I act like I'm a student.
He got a book bag and I don't.
Come on now. Bro. You gotta tell me where we're going. Look at you. Well, you got these cheapo.
I'm saying, but why are you not walking? What's wrong with you?
I don't want to go.
Come on.
I don't want to go. This got to be the funniest thing I've ever seen. You gonna have to make it work, baby. You too thick for this?
Shut up.
She said she too thick for this. Oh man. Hey, well, bet. So we done with class for the day. Would have had to go to her little class. I'm trying to get that light. Hold on, let me help you out. Ooh.
All right.
Bro, I think it's because of the shade right here, though.
It don't matter.
So far, so good. It's what?
It's
12,
annoying
it's only 12, 15.
doing stuff and not
she keep on trying to go the different way, and that's what's annoying. See, when you got these handcuffs on, you gotta be in sync with each other. And if I want to go left, she want to go right.
Cause you don't say nothing. You gotta say where you going. What's wrong with you?
Nah, but anyways, I'm hungry though. We gotta stop at Chick-fil-A. By the time this video is over, I guarantee you we will have this down packed getting out the car. So you getting out on my side? Yeah, come on.
No, get your on my side.
Bro.
You gotta get out on my side this time.
Bro.
Let's go, buddy boy.
Alright, come on, huh?
Y'all, look at this. Look at this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Old person.
Hold on, I gotta get my fit right. I gotta get my fit right.
The girl at the front asked us what were we.
She said we was conjoined twins. I said she kidnapped me, and now I'm handcuffed to her. Ooh.
I'm making sundaes today. I've got Oreos, strawberries, and chocolate syrup and cherry.
Get your cherries on.
You want a cherry? Okay, I'll get a cherry on mine, man.
Peer pressure.
Exactly, she pressured me into doing it. Can you tie that little knot with your tongue? You gotta do that? You can?
So after this, we're gonna go do my nails. Cause
I gotta be in there for that?
Yeah, duh. We're sitting together. I'm very free. We gotta go do my nails.
They wanna feel like when you got a clingy partner in a relationship.
No pun
Always want to be up
intended.
under me. That's who we are. We're clingy couples. That dude lame as fuck. You know what? I'm about to take it off. I'm done. I quit.
If he quits, we need to do something. I don't know. Now we finna go to the nail salon, y'all.
She gotta pick all days.
It's not gonna take all day because all I'm doing is cutting down my nails because I have an interview today. So I gotta cut down my nails and I am going to fix this one.
Oh! Look, well, never mind. You messed up. You messed up.
We made it in the car in less than 10 seconds this time. Last time, it took us about
It took us a good little minute. Like I said, before the end of this video, we're gonna be pros at this.
They kind of look better like this.
Like what?
And I
That shit do look,
And
yeah.
I square them off.
She gonna like even them up though?
Yeah.
Like, okay.
Yeah, babe, of course.
I mean, I thought it was gonna look like, I ain't know. Yeah, that length look better than the other one. I like that one. Go ahead and show them the grabbers, babe.
I don't got no more. They're
Ooh, they clean though.
You see my nails shining?
I see it. It's in the sun.
Y'all, my man told me he likes short nails now.
I ain't say that. I was like, nah, all I
Nah,
said
you
was
like
that
the
they look good.
grabbers?
I thought they look, I like the grabbers. I like them long. You know how like, when you had them glow in the dark Johns, Didi, you don't understand. Why this light? Why it's like we all keep on getting in the shade, bro? But I got a question I kind of want to ask you for real. Why is it that like only Asians do nails? Like why is it like, who made them be like, all right, we're gonna be good at nails? Like, why is it?
And who made Africans braiders?
Yeah, but it's like, maybe y'all can
And
comment down
Dominicans
below.
straighten hair.
Comment down below. I don't know, I don't want to sound stupid, but why is that?
Like, why is that the stereotype that Asians
Yeah, like
do
they
nails?
doing
Okay,
nails.
yeah, y'all comment and y'all tell us how y'all feel. Why do Asians just are stereotypical to nails? Why are Africans stereotypical to
braiding.
braids? And then why do what's the other one?
What?
And Dominicans only straighten hair, supposedly.
Yeah, cause I'm like, ain't no good black nail people out there. I know it's some.
Or white nail people.
Yeah, like Asians be the only ones, bruh.
doing nails, really.
I don't understand that, man.
So.
But we gotta go get you to the interview, so we gonna
Be
catch
back
y'all.
after my interview, y'all.
Yo, we back.
Still
cuffed, man. I know one thing. It's 7:21. It almost closer to that time for the take these
Not
things
even.
out. So man, we gonna go ahead and get ready. She gotta string her hair and do all that stuff. I gotta be up in here. Sadly, I gotta watch all of this. Usually I'll be watching TV or something right now, but I gotta sit through the whole thing.
Yep.
How long you gonna take those? I ain't trying to be
It's not gonna
girl.
take that long.
God, why you put it on my left hand and your left hand? That look dumb.
Oh, oops, I put it on the wrong hand.
Clown. Keep it like that.
All right, whatever.
You got it like that now. So now I gotta walk like this the whole time. I gotta walk like this. I gotta walk just like this.
Y'all, I'm almost done.
Man, I gotta use the bathroom.
Lay down.
Hey, I gotta use the bathroom.
No, just let me do my last.
Babe, no, I have to use the bathroom. Come on, we gotta.
Babe, chill.
Babe, I can't hold it though. You've been doing this forever. You did every single curl. I gotta use the bathroom.
Babe.
Hey, you know what? You better turn around.
Oh my God.
I gotta use the bathroom. Yep, I gotta use the bathroom.
Y'all, like, seriously.
Cause, bro, you've been doing this for forever. It's my turn now. I gotta sit there and go through all of that with you.
You're about to poop?
I gotta use the bathroom, yes. This ain't no playing matter. Hey,
Tyree.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Are you kidding me? Y'all, look at him. Are you kidding me?
What?
You should be ashamed.
Oh, I gotta use the bathroom. It's 12:47, y'all. I'm done. I just wanna go to bed. We're still handcuffed together, man. It's been a very long day. It's been a very long, stressful day.
It's not been stressful.
It's been a very long day. I don't want Anybody getting the wrong impressions? I'm just gonna say this. This is me speaking from my point of view. Don't watch none of these 24-hour challenges and just think, oh, it's all fun and games. It is not fun and games, bro. It is not. I'm tired. She has to study, and I have to be right here because I'm freaking cuffed. Freaking cuffed. And put it on, cause you messing up. It's cuffing season. I'm done. Can I go to bed? No. You better wake me up in the middle of the night. Somebody gotta use the bathroom, baby, bro.
I am.
I'm not going for it. Not going for it all.
Anyways, yeah, I'm really tired too, but I have a test in the morning, unfortunately.
I gotta wake up to go to that. Cause I gotta be cuffed until what? Like it's like 11 something.
Oh yeah.
Bruh.
11 something. That's when we should
I don't think I'm gonna be doing this challenge again. But if y'all request us to do it again, I might just do it again. But I don't know if I'm gonna be doing this again. It ain't that I didn't have fun with you. It's just that you require a lot, bro. No, you be on the move. You be trying to do stuff. I be like, bro, I'm trying to do my own thing. I'm trying to go over here. You want to go over there.
That was you.
And then it ain't even the fact that you want to go over there. It's the fact that you want to stay over there and not come back over here with me. So it's like, bro. I'm tired, bro. I'm just about to go to sleep.
Yeah, I'm tired too. And it's not even 1 o'clock.
12:47. We've been handcuffed. See, that's how you know I'm tired. We've been handcuffed for almost 12 hours, bro. I've been right here.
It has been 12 hours, 11 to 11.
It has? Oh, you're right. See, it's been over 12 hours, bro. That I've been attached, handcuffed, and stuck.
By the way, our movie was good.
I ain't like it all. I ain't really like it.
I liked it because I like scary movies.
It wasn't one of my favorites. I want to go see that again. Can we go to bed?
Fine.
Hurry up and get downstairs. I'm tired.